Hi, if you know the subreddit, there are thousands of different penny stocks mentioned here all day long. A big hassle for anyone to keep track of them, and most of them have the potential to blow out. So I was trying to scratch my own itch and created this system with an AI agent. It gets the recent posts on the subreddit and analyzes each of them to find the tickers mentioned in these posts on the subreddit. So this is my Google Sheet where you can track the penny stocks mentioned there in the last 1 hour to see the price changes in different timestamps alongside the current market cap here, as you can see. Also keeps a track of the mentions count in the posts on the subreddit of the ticker. It automatically updates the data every hour, so you can also keep the track of the previous prices. Open to new development ideas. The system doesn't do analysis right now. For now, maybe. I will be adding more functionality to it. If you want to create something similar, check out my YouTube channel where I create AI system like this one. So see you there. Don't forget to check this Google Sheet where you can find lots of penny stocks. You can find the links. Bye bye.